privileged to launch clean cooking with one of the mass schools in Kampala, well known to you, King's College Budo. And today we have launched clean cooking with shell gas. And we are so privileged to save time, to save energy, to save money, and to keep people safe. In that respect, I mean, with the launch of Shell Clean Cooking Energy, Shell Gas, we have saved more than 50% cooking time.
We have been working with King's College Budo on a clean cooking solution. And we started this way back in December. For the last 3 months, we've been testing the use of LPG. We were able to install a 1-ton tank at this school. We have had some feedback for the last 3 months when we started using this. I can tell you that since we started using LPG, before they used to bring a truck of firewood every 2 days to meet the needs, the cooking needs of the students. So with that, we are able to replace with LPG. What we see is that we actually supply them with 1 tank in a period of just under 3 weeks. So you would see that just over that period, King's College Budo has saved at least 1.7 million shillings.
From 1993, when I joined Budo, we were using firewood as a source of fuel. But today, we are using the clean fuel, which is gas, and this is shell gas. I begin by comparing. I look at the old kitchen and the new kitchen where we have the gas being used. Where we have the shell gas, it is very clean. You enter the kitchen without any difficulty. It is simple. Number one, when we are cooking, the time of cooking is reduced.
Over the last 2 months, we have actually got feedback from the chefs that are actually having a better standard of living. When you go to the 2 kitchens, you'll actually be able to see it's evident with the soot. So there's the old kitchen and now the new that has been installed with LPG. You will see the other one is full of soot and dark, and the one with LPG is fully clean. And that is one of the things that we've seen.
The person who prepares breakfast for the students starts preparing breakfast at 3 a.m. when we are using firewood. But because now we have advocated for shell gas, we use strictly 1 hour, 20 minutes, and the tea is ready for 2,600 students.
And by the time lunch is served, which is noon, everybody is smart, everybody has changed, everybody is at least okay. It's not as tired as it used to be. Because when we are still using firewood, before putting on anything, you had to chop firewood. You had to start the fire. You had to go through that smoke. But now there is no smoke, there is no heat, everything's okay.
The other element is to the environment. We've actually seen that, you know, this school had a whole forest, and the forest is gone because the forest had to be used to prepare for the students. At this point in time, we have been able to demonstrate that we don't have to do that anymore. The trees can be used to save the environment, and we can be able to bring the LPG, which is a cleaner solution. That solution has really proved to be what they've been looking for. We have got a lot of very good feedback from the staff, and we can see clearly that we have really transformed lives. This is not an effort we're going to stop just here at King's College Budo. We want to do it in other institutions.
We are requesting all the educators, all the teachers to teach the young generation about the importance of using gas, clean fuel, and for us we are using shell gas. It will conserve our environment. When I look at the tons of wood, the trees we have cut to provide firewood, oh my God, you cannot tell. It is too much.
And we have also saved a lot of money for King's College Budo because we use half the energy that they have been using through firewood to make the same meals or even more. So this morning I'm privileged to launch this drive on clean cooking, starting with schools, and we are starting with King's College Budo. So I call upon all the schools to come and we find the cooking solution for you, tailor-made for you, just to address your cooking needs. And today we are saying, it's time for clean cooking for across schools, even for mass cooking, and we believe we are going to make a difference in this country. We also want to say thank you to King's College Budo for giving us an opportunity to launch this, to believe with us and launch this clean cooking solution. And we believe it has added value to the team that has been cooking, because the chefs are testifying that they don't have to cook at night. They will start cooking there in the morning. They don't have any security issues. They don't have any safety issues. And that's very important for us as a business to make sure the people we work with, the public that we deliver clean cooking from, is safe. So today it's an absolute honor for us to launch this in King's College Budo, and for other schools we are coming close to you. Please knock on our doors, or we will knock on your doors to tell you about this solution and to tailor make it for you, to address your solutions in terms of safety, in terms of cleanness, in terms of efficiency and cost effectiveness.
But what we have is a solution that can be used for serving the entire school. So we've done that right now. We've been able to demonstrate, and I've just talked about that. So we've saved time. We have healthier staff. We also have more productive people, and also have been able to save the environment. We no longer need a full truck of trees every 2 days just to sustain the meals. So that's the story here, and we are going to have many more stories going forward, just to make sure that we can impact the lives and the communities where we serve as Shell Gas.
And on behalf of King's College Budo, we pledge to Vivo Energy, we pledge Shell Gas, Shell Uganda, we shall not let you down. We shall continue using and enjoying the facility, and shall continue improving the cleanliness in our kitchen. So thank you so much, Shell Gas. We appreciate you for the work you've done. This is a very big change for King's College Budo. It is a very big change world over. Why? All those students we release into the world each and every year, they will not remain the same. They will not use firewood. They will use gas. And in the process, this is the best way of protecting our environment in relation to others, as we know. Thank you so much. God bless you. And our motto is Gachali Mavaga.